Hi there. Check out the JUBILOOM Bar Stools Set of 2. Perfect for your kitchen or bar area with a natural solid elm saddle seat. These 24-inch stools feature sturdy metal legs and an integral footrest for stable comfort during meals or casual chats. Crafted from strong, non-cracking solid elm wood, they support up to 330 pounds and have a water-resistant surface for easy cleaning. Assembly is quick and simple, taking about 10 minutes with the included toolkit, and one person can handle it easily. Choose from 1, 2, or 3-pack combos to fit your space perfectly. Plus, JUBILOOM offers excellent after-sales service to ensure your satisfaction. Upgrade your kitchen island or dining area with these stylish and durable industrial backless bar stools today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.